Okay, great damn lunch right now. Oh man, you're in the Yorba Linda? Go to the Pink Chopsticks. Car's getting washed over here, and I hope it's done. I was gonna go to this place right here, but it's closed, or maybe I just picked the wrong door. Maybe one of the other doors is, one I was supposed to pick. I was going to talk about Stephen King. If you go to a lake, for example, nice little pristine lake. We're talking about the creative types here. Stephen King, Louis L'Amour writes westerns. We're going to go down to the canyon, by the way. I read that Stephen King, the difference between writers is you could go to an isolated lake. I'm going to a canyon and I was thinking about monsters for some reason because I read horror and I like horror. You go to a lake and Louis L'Amour is going to see like wagon trains and pilgrims and travelers and that kind of thing. But Stephen King's going to see some kind of monster coming out of it, some kind of swamp monster, some lagoon monster. So this is the canyon, and we're gonna see if my car's ready. It's been about an hour, and they said it'd take about an hour and a half. So let's go there. Okay, here comes my car. Looks like they did a good job. Looks shiny. I can give the guy a $5 tip. Looks so good right now from the outside. Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, you have a good day. Smells good. The seats are clean, interior's clean. Looks nice and shiny here. So if you're in Yorba Linda, Chinese food's great over there. Down there. And the car wash, wow. You did good enough, man. There's a little choo-choo train that passed by a little while up there too. I was hoping to be here. I'm not pulling over for this reason, but check this out. Check out these plastic cars right here. This is cool. Right there. You don't see that every day. Nice, huh? That's pretty cool.